there, welcome to my apartment. Come on in. Hi, I'm Julie and this is Gumbo and we live at the Parker in Alexandria. We chose the Parker because it's dog friendly and they have a lot of really wonderful community activities. So this is our living room. This is where we get to just relax and chill. And we even brought a bit of our homelands of Louisiana, New Jersey, and Gumbo's homeland of Virginia here with us. It's an escape from being on the internet all day. I can actually just get away from it all and dive into books and whatever else I want to do, journaling or cooking, just be able to really disconnect from the world. This is a vintage Antoine's wine list from New Orleans, and it really means a lot to us because my husband's from New Orleans and we like wine. All the staff has been outstanding. There's also the simple logistics of being right next to the metro, which is fantastic. You have the opportunity to be in DC in a hop, skip, and a jump. That's one of the big reasons that we moved here. We were able to get rid of one of our cars because we don't need it anymore, and that was a huge financial benefit for us. We commissioned a portrait of our wonderful dog Gumbo and had his likeness immortalized in oil. So this is the bedroom. We decorated it in an East Asian Chinese theme because I went to China a few years ago. I was a Chinese minor in college, and these are some of the paintings that I actually got to bring back. Parker really has it all. It has a great staff, it has great amenities, and it's a wonderful sanctuary for everyone to come to. Thanks so much for checking out our home at the Parker in Alexandria, and we hope to see you again soon.